Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. AnyDesk tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to teach you a quick tutorial about AnyDesk. And to use AnyDesk, just open up your AnyDesk, and once you're here, as you can see, to use the remote control in your AnyDesk, you can see right here, here is a number. So once I click on this, right here, there, right click, then copy address. The person that you give this to, and then click invite, and then when they paste your number right here, they will be able to control your PC, but you've got to accept them first. Yeah, there you go. Got to accept them first. And not only that, you can also change its default profile right here. You can change it right there on what he or she can access, or you can start with default. So when you default, here is the default. Here there's not enable privacy mode. That's not allowed. They will not be able to use your PC when in certain privacy modes area. For example, um uh maybe administration, or he or she cannot run that. Or maybe if you're doing control alt delete, that's on privacy mode too, so you won't be or he won't be able to just anything in privacy mode. He or she will not be able to control that. But if you allow it, he or she will be able to control it. So here is a full access. This means they will allow you to access any part of your PC. Yeah. And right here on the corner, you can see settings. Once you click on settings, here is the language. You can change your language here. Themes, if you want to make it light, dark mode. Here you go. Miscellaneous. If you want to change anything, right there. Default screen. Screenshot path. If you want to change the screenshot path, on customs, then browse, then change path. Chat log, online status, and here is the connection. Pickup line, access, permissions. Change anything there. Privacy. Play. There you go. Audio recording, and there, and so on and so forth. So there you go, guys. That was a quick tutorial on AnyDesk. If you have any more question, if you have any more things you need to know, just type it down in the comment section below. And a quick tip for you guys: for example, you've used your friend's PC, or you have let them use your PC, you can add them to your favorite right here. But as you can see right now, I have no one to AnyDesk with. But if you have someone to AnyDesk with, you will see a three dots right here. Then just right click on that. Then you will see a favorite icon. And then click favorite. Then there you go. He or she will be added to your favorite or AnyDesk. So you can easily spot them using AnyDesk. There you go, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.